Hello everyone and welcome to Real Wellbeing. My name is Albert Vaca. I'm a licensed acupuncturist at the Taub Wellness in Pasadena. Welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to present to you a powerful cleansing recipe that not only cleans toxins from the body, but also replenishes minerals. It has a rich content of potassium and magnesium. Now this recipe comes from Dr. Mal's Secrets of Longevity cookbook. You can find it at your Taub Wellness clinic or at infinity.com. I wanted to bring this recipe to you because it's a simple recipe that can make a delicious broth to get all your greens in just a few cups a day. I know that when I start to feel sluggish or I haven't eaten as well as I could have, this gives me that extra boost of energy without making me feel heavy. I recommend people use this recipe at least at the beginning of every season for at least a week. This will help your body transition to the new season and cleanse your body of any impurities or toxins that may have accumulated during this time. Now, when we're loaded with heavy metals and pesticides, our body has a tough time managing the cleansing process, and this can lead to disease. Headaches, skin rashes, digestive discomfort, weight gain, and fatigue are just a few of the complaints that can arise from having too many toxins in our bodies. So let's get started. Now, ideally the vegetables in the recipe should be fresh and organic. Here we have a selection of chopped and prepared vegetables ready to go into our large 6-quart stock pot in the back. Don't worry about writing down the recipe. I'll post it on our Instagram and our Facebook pages for you to have a reference after the show. Here are your ingredients. I've got Swiss chard, kale, mustard greens. I have half a head of white cabbage. Now, cabbage is a highly nutritious vegetable and has anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and heart health properties. Now, this other board over here, we've got dandelion greens. Dandelion greens are great for supporting the liver. It enhances the flow of bile to your body and can help with gallstones and jaundice. They're packed with vitamin C and have richer iron and calcium content than even spinach. Here's a couple of Brussels sprouts, we have daikon, we have watercress, 6 shiitake mushrooms, kombu seaweed, did I say that already? 2 cloves of garlic, leeks, fennel. We have some ginger over here, we have some turmeric, and we have parsley and cilantro, and enough water to fill a stock pot, okay? Now, once everything is prepped and you add all the veggies to the stock pot, you fill it with water to cover the vegetables, but take caution not to let it overflow. Use medium-high heat and cook it to bring to a boil. Then reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for about 1 hour. So once the timer goes off, using a mesh strainer, remove the vegetables, set them aside, and continue to cooking the broth for 15 more minutes to strengthen the flavor and let it condense down a bit. Once it's cool, completely transfer everything to a glass jars, and these can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week or stored in the freezer for up to a month. If you want to get real cleansing and detoxification, consume 3 cups a day, ideally for the week. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. Thanks so much for tuning in, and be well.